Hi guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I don't know about you guys, but those of you that know me, I have a sweet tooth and I'm obsessed with these microwave mug cakes. They're so fast, easy, especially when you want a quick treat. So today I'm going to teach you how to make my pineapple upside down mug cake, okay? Super easy, fast, and you know my favorite word, delicious. Also versatile. So if you don't have all the ingredients I have, you know you can change it up. Remember, all my ingredients and directions are underneath each video. There's just a little tiny arrow. You click on that and you can take a screenshot. All right, let's get started. So the riper the banana, the better, but just a medium banana that you're gonna take, just take a small bowl and I just mash it up in my bowl. Okay, I use my potato masher. It just makes it easier and faster to do. And I'm using one large egg or extra large egg that I just like to whisk a little bit first and then add that. Now, for the flour, I'm using coconut multi-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. And if you don't have coconut flour, you can use the self-rising flour, regular flour, add a teaspoon of some baking powder if you want. Doesn't matter for this recipe. You could use almond flour, you could use oat flour. It's versatile. All right, so we're just gonna whisk that together. Now I have fruit monk sugar. I'm using 1 tablespoon. You can use Swerve, stevia, Truvia, or regular sugar. And I'm using a teaspoon of some vanilla, and I'm using some cocoa powder, a tablespoon. You don't want chocolate. I love chocolate, so you can just keep it like this and have it more of a vanilla and add some cinnamon, or you could use the cocoa powder. So I'm using 1 tablespoon. The other thing you're gonna need to do is I have a nice big mug that I got at the dollar store, and I sprayed it well because you don't want it to stick. And I'm using about 3 tablespoons of pineapple. Okay, so I'm using the chunks, but you could use different pieces. You can use fresh pineapple and, of course, the unsweetened. And for those of you on WW, Wellness That Works, it's going to be 2 smart points. If you're on the green team, you're counting the egg as well. So it's 4 smart points, okay? Unless you try to use egg creations or egg beaters. So what I'm gonna do is I've sprayed my mug and I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon of some pineapple on the bottom. Okay, I'm just putting it a little bit on the bottom of my mug. Just like that, okay? Just spread it out. And then I'm gonna take my batter, and you saw how quick that is, and just put that on top. Now, of course, you can add nuts or chocolate chips if you want. You just have to account for the smart points. You could add some Craisins, coconut, and then I'm gonna take the rest. So that was like 3 tablespoons or so. It's, you know, up to you. You want to use more, you want to use less of the pineapple, and then I'm just sprinkling it on top. And I have it in here like that. And then we're going to microwave it. But I also have just some shredded coconut that I bought, just a pinch, just to make it look pretty. And that's optional as well, and put it in your microwave. I'm going to put it in for 3 minutes. So you put it in for 3 minutes and you can eat it right away. You could put whipped cream on it, Cool Whip. You could have it with frozen yogurt. You can sprinkle a little bit of icing powder on it, especially if you're serving it for guests. You could make several of them, and not at the same time, make one at a time, and then you could put it in a sealed container. Keep them in your fridge, okay? They last longer, and they're bigger than you think they are, because here it is. You'll see that I have some of the pineapple upside down on the bottom and on the top because I love pineapple. And if you love pineapple, you'll love this. I put a little bit of coconut on this one as well. So easy peasy, fast, versatile. Like I said, you can add other things to your mug cake. All right, use different flour. You want it chocolate, you don't want it chocolate. It's totally up to you. All right, so I hope that you love this video. And oh, I know I wanted to show you that my daughter and I made the 4-ingredient Rice Krispies. Guess who's been eating them? And they're super delicious and yummy. So check out that recipe. I have lots and lots of recipes. Share my channel. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Tell me if you'd keep it the same. Comment below. If you would change it up. Comment below. You know where I'm getting with this. And I love when you post my recipes on my group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. You know I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips, okay? So please share and tell other people, all right? I'm seeing if it's still gonna take another minute. So you guys have seen how delicious and yummy this looks, and I hope you enjoy it too. And I'm gonna say goodbye for now. Take care. Love you guys. Let me blow you a kiss. Bye for now.